What's up, guys? Just wanted to come on here and show you guys a little update on some of the new vinyls I got. Pretty excited about these. Sound great. Pretty sick artwork on these. So this one is Avenged Sevenfold. Gotta get you Hail to the King. Definitely putting that one up, and then holidays, can't go wrong with one of the GOATs, Elvis Presley. Definitely excited about this one. Got 2 vinyls, black, standard. So yeah, sound great. Definitely gonna be putting this in the shop. It's got a cool little artwork too. Look at that. Definitely going up in the shop, but yeah. Let me know if you guys got any new vinyl, any new special vinyl, cool print, cool artwork. Oh, and I got actually one more. I actually got Ghost as well. Picked this one up. I think it's a 6 tracks, 5 maybe. Covers. This one's pretty sick too. One of my favorite bands, Ghost. Cool artwork. And I believe this one's just a black vinyl. Yeah, so this one's just black. But sounds great. I'll be playing this in the shop here soon. But yeah, let me know what vinyl you got that's come out so far or looking to get. But yeah, can't go wrong with getting some new vinyl. Yeah. The new vinyl collection keeps on growing. So, see you next time.